One of the most common problems that you're going to run into is that these jets are clogged up with debris. This is part of the water management system. Sometimes these jets will get debris stuck in them, so it's very easy to clean them out without disassembling the cleaner by sticking a wire in there and loosening up any dirt or debris that may be stuck in these jets. These 3 jets or venturis are supposed to shoot water up into the bag, and if any of them are clogged up, they're not going to shoot the water up correctly. And you can try to unclog these jets with a wire from the top without disassembling it by sticking it in there and kind of moving it back and forth to see if you can dislodge whatever in there. You can also disassemble the cleaner, but this may not be necessary. It's easier to stick a wire in from the top without disassembling it, and whatever's in there should be pushed around with the wire and loosened up. Just stick the wire all the way down to the bottom. Then you can simply take a garden hose and test it. I'm going to put the water here, and these jets should shoot water out if they're unclogged. So if you connect the garden hose to the cleaner, you don't see the water jets shooting up like that, and definitely one of the venturis is clogged up. That's how it should look in a normal operation. And so you see that's working correctly. The 3 jets shot water out. If any of these jets don't shoot water out, you know that one of them is clogged. So you can also test the cleaner beforehand by hooking it up to a garden hose and shooting water out to see if it's clogged up. You can also take the water management system out and clean it more thoroughly if necessary. Okay, we'll have to remove the tail sweep here. Okay, there are 3 screws on the bottom. Go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Okay, go ahead and pull the bottom off. Now you want to remove the water management system by taking these 3 screws out. Okay, now you want to take the water management system and pop it back up. It should pop right off the cleaner. This whole piece will come off. So if you can't reach it from the inside of the cleaner and you can't dislodge the debris, you can take this off and clean it like this. It's very simple. Then you simply test it again with the garden hose. Okay, you want to take the garden hose and check the water management system. You can see all the jets shooting water out. Note also that this part detaches here, so if it does come off when you're putting it back together, it's easy to replace it on here. There's 2 clips on the side here. Just push it on here like this and it snaps in. So don't worry if this part were to fall off while you're trying to put the water management system back in. You want to make sure when you slide it in that this part is underneath the frame here of the top of the body. Sure, it's to snap in like this here. This is the correct installation of the back. I'm going to reattach the 3 screws here. Okay, you slide the bottom on, we'll put the 3 screws back in. Just make sure when you reattach the lower body that it clips together with the top like this here. If you notice any gaps here, it's not on correctly, you have to reassemble the bottom again. It should look something like this if you reassembled it correctly. Leslie's Pool Supplies has been do-it-yourselfers and pool trade professionals' trusted partner since 1963, providing quality products and services to make pool care easy and solutions and expertise to do it right.